This video will watch the best 8-pack Starburst lights LED copper wire fireworks lights from over 712 customer reviews. Firework lights, 8-pack Starburst lights LED copper wire fireworks lights fairy lights Christmas fireworks hanging dimmable string 8 modes waterproof with remote control for Christmas wedding garden. Control the fireworks remotely with 8 different modes. Combination, in waves, sequential, slow glow, chasing, flash, slow fade, twinkle, flash, steady on. After a few hours of use, copper wire can be touched safely. Fairy lights use the IP65 waterproof silver wire. It is no welding process and is lightweight and portable. LED copper wire firework lights have 8 modes for choosing, 6 hours on and 18 hours off automatically. Changing the different modes and colors is very convenient, depending on the occasion and subject. The perfect accent lighting for indoors, ideal for party and wedding decorations. Fairy lights create a warm and opulent ambiance, and fairy lights provide the perfect mood. The string is flexible and strong enough. Copper wire fireworks lights can easily bend in any shape. You can choose your favorite shapes, such as fireworks, flowers, stars, etc. Ideal for a room, garden, terrace, wedding, party, and Christmas other DIY festive decorations. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.